Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can edit a picture after you have uploaded it in your Instagram. So here you can see that I have uploaded this picture right here, and in order to edit it, what we need to do is simply click on these three vertical lines present at the top right corner of this post, and then here you can see this option which says edit. Click on this edit button, and the things you can edit is the caption of this image. So for example, if I want to edit this caption, I can do so by simply typing the new caption. And then you also have other things that you may do. For example, you can add collaborators or add a location. So for example, I add a location. So for example, let's add any location, and here you can see that a location has been successfully added. You may add any music, or you may also choose to add any label, or apart from that you may also edit the alt text or tag people in this. So once you have done your changes, you may simply click on the stick icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you have done this, just wait for it. And here you can see that if you will just reload your page, you can see that all the changes have been successfully applied. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.